Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix getting an order on Shopify but it only says the sale as shipping amount. So here's how to fix the issue where Shopify only records the shipping amount as the sale price. First, check your product prices. Navigate to admin.shopify.com, click on products icon at the left of the screen. Now it will open up the products page. Now, after navigating to the products page, open the affected product and ensure that the product price at the bottom in this area is set correctly and isn't zero. Now, save changes at the top by entering a new price and test by adding the product to cart. So save this, then navigate to your online store and try to add this product to cart. So navigate to catalog or products, choose the product, then add it to your cart and see if it works or not. Now, second way to fix this problem is verifying your checkout settings. Navigate to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then on this page, choose checkout from these options and ensure that no custom scripts or third-party apps are modifying the order total on this page. Now, after you do this, you can review shipping rates. Navigate to settings, then navigate to shipping and delivery. Now, check your rates. If your shipping rules are incorrect, Shopify may charge only the shipping cost instead of the product price. Set up flat rates or weight-based rates to avoid miscalculations. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is disabling any discount or free shipping rules. Check discounts under Shopify admin. So, cut this out, navigate to discount section and check discounts under this to see if any rules are incorrectly applying 100% discount to the product. I don't have any discount, that's why it's not showing. Now, if free shipping rules are active, adjust them to prevent conflicts with the product pricing. After this, test a checkout. Add a product to your cart, go through the checkout process and check if the correct amount appears or not. And if the issue persists, try disabling third-party apps or simply contact Shopify support for further assistance. So, this was the way through which you can solve your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.